Hey guys, welcome back to DevPremier. In this video, we are gonna study these three methods. And first method is includes method, and second is join, and third is reverse method. So let's get started with these methods. So first of all, we will see includes method. This method checks if the given string includes the word we are trying to find in a string. Let's say we have a string here, hello world. This is John. So here we will use the includes method to find a word in this string. If the include method finds that word, then it will return true, else it will return false. Console log. Let's say we find John. Now this will return true here. Now this will return false because there is no such word in this string. So this is the includes method. We can use this method to find any word in the given string. The second method is the join method. As the name suggests, join method joins the all elements of the given array. Let's make an array here. These are the natural elements, basic elements. Store the value in a variable n, and then we will console log it. So array1 dot join, and then console log. So this will join all these elements and return a string here. So we have here fire, air and water as a string. You can also check its type of n, and here you will see this is a string. The default separator to join these elements is comma. As we can see here that it's comma, but you can specify any separator here like this. So now it's dash. You can also make it blank. So this is a string, and we use a join method to join all the elements, and it will return always as string. The third method and the last method in this video is reverse method. The reverse method, as its name, this method reverses the all elements of the array. So suppose here we have array 1 with these elements in this order: fire, air and water. Now array1 dot reverse. So this will reverse the order of these elements. So now water, air and fire, this is the reverse order, and it also changes the original array. So suppose here we print array 1. So now order in the original array also changed. So these are the three methods that we have learned today. In the next video we will learn these three methods: slice, sort and splice. And in the upcoming tutorials I am also planning to make videos on Node, on React and React Native. So please suggest me what you want to learn first. So at the end, thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos.